So you probably already know how to cook with a charcoal grill like this one. In this video though, I'm going to show you how you can heat up leftovers on a charcoal grill. That's right. Let's do it. Alright, cooking on a charcoal grill, one of life's pleasantries. We've got some jalapeno bacon wrapped poppers here. You're looking at an old school Weber grill, charcoal, flames super hot in the middle, and things lined up around the side, creating a wonderful heat and putting some wood chips in the middle for some nice smoke. That's the original cook. Now, heating up leftovers, here's what I'm using. Alder wood, and you can certainly choose your own wood, right? But I like this stuff. It creates kind of a reddish tint, a wonderful aroma, and a fantastic flavor. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and take a handful of those, and you can see we've got the coals. We got leftovers here. We got hot dogs for the kids. We've got, what else do we have? Peppers. We got a little bit of bread, and we're just trying to heat this up. Yeah, you can put it all in the microwave, but no. We're going to get that, just like we cooked it originally, we're going to get that nice flavor back into it. So we're going to take a handful of this alder wood, put it directly over the hot coals, right? So we're going to basically bring this to get your coals all ready like you're doing an original cook. Put them in the middle of the grill. You don't want to spread them out too far because you don't want to cook everything. You're just going to heat it up, right? So the hot coals are going to be right in the middle of the Weber, and you're going to put some wood right over the center of those hot coals, and that's going to basically put the lid on it. I have the bottom vent and the top vent fully open, and we are just letting that wood smoke, baby, smoke. And here's the temperature if you're interested. We're at around 400 degrees. You can close your vents if it gets too much hotter than that. By the way, if this is your first time to the channel, click that subscribe button. Do lots of home projects and cool things around the house. Don't forget to like this video if it's helping you, and share this with somebody if you think somebody might benefit. So here is the tool that I actually use to start the coals if you're interested. I love this thing. You basically pile this thing, pack it full of charcoal, and then you put a little lighter piece on the bottom of it, and it gets your charcoal nice and warm for you. So here it is. Yes, you'll be required to flip it a little bit. Basically, look at the shape, right? You put your leftovers on the periphery, not over the coals. You will burn everything to a crisp. Coals in the middle, all your food on the outside. Let that smoke and that peripheral temperature, the ambient temperature, do the reheating for you. So it's going to bring everything up to temperature. Some things might get a little crispy, so you might have to push them back a little bit. But it's going to bring up the temperature just like a microwave would. And that wood is going to give it a nice... Notice the flames. It'll actually start to ignite if the lid's off too long. Pop that lid on, and it's going to smoke instead. Nice, beautiful flavor. And those are leftovers. Check it out. That's how I heat up my leftovers on a charcoal grill. And hopefully this has helped you. Thanks for being with me.